How to get ChatGPT-4o for free iPhone and Android. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get ChatGPT-4o for free in iPhone or Android. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store if you are using an iPhone and open Play Store if you are using an Android device. And now, tap on the search bar and search for ChatGPT and install the app on your device. Once installed, go ahead and launch the application. Now log in with your account credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you'll need to create one. You can create your account using your Apple account, your Google account, or simply with your email address. After signing in, tap on the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of the app. From the menu, select ChatGPT-4o to access OpenAI's latest Omni Model. Now that you have access to GPT-4o, you can start your conversation with OpenAI's latest model. It is equipped with the latest voice mode feature, allowing for more immersive interactions. Please note that on Android, interruptions are not supported yet, but iOS users can enjoy uninterrupted conversations. So this is how you can get GPT-4o for free on iPhone or Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.